How to open Clipboard on your Windows. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily access your Clipboard on your Windows device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing that you need to make sure is that your Clipboard history is on. To do that, you first need to right click on the Windows icon to open up your settings. Once you get to your settings, head over to System, scroll down until you see the Clipboard option, click right here, and right here at the top of your screen you will see Clipboard history. Just make sure that this is turned on. Now what you need to do is, in order to access it, you basically have to press Windows logo key plus V on your keyboard to display your clipboard. So let's try that. I'm just going to press Windows plus V and it's going to pop up my keyboard. If you guys are not sure how to do that, let me just turn on my on-screen keyboard for you. So on your keyboard you basically have to press Windows plus V together. So just press this and then this together and your Windows clipboard will pop up like this. So you basically have to press Windows plus V, and here you can clear out all of this if you want, and this usually stays here forever until you manually clear it or restart your computer. And if you want this to stay here forever, you basically have to click on this little pin icon. Just click on it and it will be here unless you manually delete it. And usually when you don't have anything on the screen, if you press this, it will show up on the bottom right corner. But let's say if I have something open like my notepad or somewhere I can type, and here if I press Windows plus V, it will open up right here on my screen where I am able to paste anything that I have copied recently. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.